Hello. Today I'll be demonstrating how to download the resources for Homework 3 from Canvas, how to upload them to CSL machines, and then how to run the testing script on the homework to get feedback on your program as you develop it. So first things first, I'm going to download all of the resources for this Homework 3. I just downloaded the template file. Now I'm downloading the file that has the customer metadata that we'll be analyzing. I'm downloading the formatted summary file for the end result of what we want to turn our metadata into, and the test script, as well as the input file and its corresponding solution file. Now that I have all of my resources downloaded to my local machine, I'm going to put them into a folder that I have here locally. So from my downloads folder here, I just moved over my text files, PP file, and last but not least, the shell script. So I have them all on my local machine. I'm going to move all these over to the CSL machine. So I have it in a folder called homework 3_10. I'm going to move it over. Boom, they're all there. Now I'm going to shell into the CSL machine. Great, and I'm going to change that directory that I just uploaded. Great. Now, as you can see, I have all the resources uploaded here. And let's say if I wanted to run the testing script, I'm not going to be permitted to do so until I run the chmod command on it to get permissions to run its executable. So I'm going to run the run test.sh script. And as you can see, using the files provided on the resources page of Canvas and uploading them to CSL machine, you should be able to see that your file did compile. That's what the first test is. But we did not match what was expected for each component of this assignment. So for homework 2, for test 2, we expected the data just to be read in. And the expectation isn't for these costs and percents to be done yet. And as you keep going through the test, you add in more and more changes. So here we saw that we formatted the names, and then further on, we compute the cost and the percent for each customer.